So it worked. So you hooked up what? Just letting it sink and then
Yeah,
an occasional twitch.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if maybe that's the key. Try left side of the boat.
Yeah, I'll do that on the next cast. Because I think just here is little snappers, because it's just the little tap tap taps.
Yeah.
Or could even be little porgies or something. There we go. Let's see. Putting up a bigger fight than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, good. Damn.
What the hell have we got here?
A porgy.
That's a nice
Porgy, dude.
That's a porgy.
All right.
That is a porgy. I know they're good eating, but I'm gonna let him go. I have enough fish in the freezer. All right, you'll get the picture of my porgy.
Yep, lift them up more. There you go. All right, perfect. Took a whole bunch.
Porgy, bitches. You're number 38. Who's counting, right? I am.
Who's counting? You and the state and me.
Yeah.